Hey everybody, you won't believe it. This mechanical watch I bought for only 10 euros on TEMU. This is unbelievable. And few days ago it finally arrived and you can see it's really nice and beautiful watch, automatic watch. For this kind of money it's not available any kind of mechanical watch. At least you need to spend 25 or 30 euros or American dollars. But this at this price range, mostly these watches are without face, and I don't like watches without the face because I don't know, it's not too cool for me. But this one, it's amazing. I don't know, do you like this kind of design? But at least in my opinion, this is amazing. Really nice watch. So let's say a few words about technical information. So the case, at least the back side of the case, is made from stainless steel, but of course this is normal because your skin produces temperature and is swelling also, and if the material is not resistant it would have corrosion after some time. So at least they have to put stainless steel back. In the center we have the glass, so you can see the mechanical mechanism how it's working like this. On the front side and the back side, the case is made from something like copper, aluminium, I don't know, and it has a layer of something that mimics the stainless steel, but the case is not made from stainless steel, and the glass is normal glass, is not sapphire glass or something expensive, but what you can expect for 10 euros or American dollars for the watch, mechanical watch. Still, in this price range group, this watch is amazing and good quality for this price range. This small clock says how many hours. This one big is minutes, and as you see, seconds. Overall, it is really nice watch. Please tell me in the comments what do you think about this watch. And do you like this kind of design? Do you have any cheaper watch from China like this one? And I would appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel, comment and thumbs up. Bye!